Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video I've created for you beautiful people is about different French hairstyles, and it includes a beautiful braids, messy buns and messy hairstyles as well. These are so cute, twisted braided ones and different styles of braids which are French hairstyles, and these are really ideal for party, school, college and different occasional wears as well. If you would wear this hairstyle, you would really shine among all, for all different hair colors and for all different hair lengths. These hairstyles are ideal and perfect to have a very decent look. This looks great on everybody. Look at this beautiful few braids on the top, and look at this tucked in bun which looks so pretty paired with jewelry. Look at this ponytail with few braids. How cute is this? Look at this messy bun hairstyles. All these are beautiful French hairstyles which looks so cute. And look at this wavy curly hair design which looks so pretty. Also, your viewers, I want to discuss a thing that if you would like to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, do follow me there. I post really great pictures and images of day-to-day updates, and which you will love to watch. Look at this cute one. How is beautiful is this? It would go really well with any simple top if you would just pair it with few pair of jewelries. A simple earring would go good as well. Look at this beautiful one. How cute is this? Look at this 3 braids at the top and then a ponytail, a messy ponytail again. These are all so good and so beautiful. That would be so great and it will look so good that it would go great on every outfit that you would wear. Look at this messy bun. These are a lot of different designs. Look at this cutest one. I love this one most because this is as simple but yet so beautiful. Which kind of hairstyles do you like? Let me know down in the comment box below. And what video would you like to watch next? Let me know that as well, so that's how I tune according to recommendation and suggestions. Dear viewers, what hair color do you love the most? Either blonde or dark? Personally, I prefer brown color. I love that so much because that appears really so beautiful on all outfit. Look at this hair color. Every single one of them is beautiful, and the French hairstyle goes super great on all different hair colors and lengths and size as well. It's ideal for medium hair length. If you would just wear these braids, it will look so stunning on you. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and my website, also on Pinterest. Links are in the description box below. And viewers, I would love to listen from you and tune according to your recommendations. Look at this beautiful simple hair with bangs. How cute. 2 side buns. These are all so beautiful latest hairstyles. If you would love to watch more, just hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to get latest update by clicking on the notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.